If the thumbnail wasn't enough for you and you not believing me, then I've got two AirPods just to unbox for you guys. And you know that I'm not a liar, just like you saw my iPhone 10 black and iPhone 10 red unboxing videos. And you need to just watch the video till the end to know whether those are fakes or reals. But I surely guarantee you, this video's worth of your time.
All the pain.
Hey guys, welcome back to new video. Today we're unboxing the Apple original AirPods. And AirPods are great, and these are the original ones, and we're getting two. Not for me, for my brothers. And yeah, last time I let them open the iPhone, but this time I let them take these AirPods. And as a good reason, they got good marks, so I'm giving it to them. So let's look at the AirPods box. It's official, it's not fake. I got it for 12,500 rupees each. They gave me a little discount because they got two iPhone 10s from there. And look at the AirPods. But guys, if you try to steal my AirPods, you're not gonna get this because you're gonna read it. It's not your AirPods. And guys, that's the AirPod, the face AirPod. We didn't go for the AirPods 2, but this is the AirPods 1. I know it's a little late, but it's still worth. And it has an amazing sound quality. Today we're just gonna unbox it, nothing else. But soon I'll be getting some AirPods 2 for myself. Not kidding, but surely I am. This is my iPhone 10R Black. Um, as you can see, if you can identify my hand, then that's it. So like that guy, I don't know why they want to open it, but so yeah, this is the AirPods, and we're gonna open it for the first time, and it should pop up. Yep, it's connecting. That guy wants to interrupt so bad. I don't know why. You can see the light, you can see the FCC, it's official. You can see the original battery percentage, not like the fakes. And it's written California, not California. And I'll show you some more proof. So actually, now I'll show you the unboxing after we go home. Hey guys, so it's here, and let's open the AirPods because we've got them home. So I'll show it to you guys. It's written, the manual's right there, and inside of it says California, not California. Let's open these in depth. Back again. These are the AirPods. My brother's opening it, and I'm recording from my phone and one hand showing it to you. These are the official ones, not fake. These look pretty slick. Slick, not sleek, but anything you call it. These are pretty cool. So that's my iPhone 10R Black. Let's open it. I don't know what problem we're having with these AirPods, but these are originals, not fakes. And I'll blur the name because it's gonna connect as my brother's name, but that's all fine. So here it is, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace out. It's amazing sound quality, by the way.